Hey guys, I'm here with another unboxing today, and I can't wait to try out this brand new John Paul Mitchell Systems Obsessed Box. So if you caught my first unboxing of the spring box, this would be the summer edition, and I love this box. I might have to keep this because it says, make every day a big hair day. And if you know me, I'm all about the big hair, so this might have to stay in my collection. The cost of the box is $15, and one of the things that I love is you can actually see what they've curated for the season before you decide to purchase. So it takes a little bit of the surprise out of it, but at least this way you'd know if it's something that you're interested in. And I will go ahead and post the value of this season's box on the screen here, but let's go ahead and get cracking. So right in the top, you have a little tip card that shows you all of the products that you're getting and a little bit of information about each product. So we can refer to that if we need to as we go through. But just to show you guys, I just got it all messed up, but I just want to show you it comes really nicely packaged. Everything is safe and secure, and I haven't had a problem with any of the products yet. So we'll move some of this stuff out of the way. All right, so let's start off with the foundation of our style, our shampoo and conditioner. So this month we get the Avapui shampoo and the detangler, and these are great classic products from Paul Mitchell. I really enjoy the Avapui shampoo because of the Avapui extract in it. It's going to be really moisture balancing, and it really has a beautiful rich lather. I like to travel with this because it can be your shampoo and it makes a great body wash all in one. And the detangler is exactly what it says. It's a great detangling conditioner. This is going to be great for medium to coarse hair, although I find that it's still a relatively lightweight feel. So if you have finer hair but you're really chemically treated, or you have really thirsty hair, you might still enjoy this product. So those two come in the box in this great travel size. So then we have the Avapui Wild Ginger No Blowout Hydro Cream. I really enjoy this styling cream because it isn't going to get crunchy in your hair. And when you're looking for something that you are able to use without a blow dryer, that's one concern that I find that a lot of people have, is using a product that's going to seem kind of stiff in the hair if you don't blow dry. But this cream is still very soft. I like that it helps enhance waves. It's really going to help build a little bit of texture in the hair, and it helps your hair dry faster, which is always a bonus. That's really the theme of this season's box, is wave enhancing. And I think that's great because we're really all kind of going for that beachy vibe in the summertime, and these products are all going to be ideal for that. So on that note, we have the Tea Tree Wave Refresher Spray, and this is really one of my favorites because not only does this product work really great to give you more of that beachy vibe, but it smells so amazing. So this is actually like a dual phase product, and it has liquid texturizers and also conditioners in it. So you'll see here right in the bottle, it says shake well, and you're really going to want to shake it well before you put it in your hair. So this is something that I enjoy using on hair that has that slightly like swavy texture. Like if you have that straight hair that goes slightly wavy, but you want something to help enhance it more, this is really great for that. You can spritz it in your hair and just lightly, I like to say like hug your curls versus like scrunching them, just because this kind of upward motion can tend to cause frizz a little bit more. So you really want to do more of like an in and out motion with this product, but then this really works, so you could go ahead and air dry your hair with the No Blowout Cream and then add a little bit of this spray in to enhance on that dry hair. This spray is also really great to take away that perfect feel from when you've been using a curling iron. So if you find that you curled your hair and it just looks like a little too like 1990s promish, you can go ahead and spritz some of this in the hair, either run your fingers through it, or you can actually give it a blast of cool air from your blow dryer, and that's going to help break up those curls and give it a little bit more of a lived-in look. And that's something that I really enjoy using this spray for. And the scent is sort of like if you were to go to the spa on the beach. It has like a little bit of coconut, a little bit of mint. It still has that great tea tree scent. So it's just very refreshing and still beachy at the same time. And then the last product in this box is truly one of my favorite products of all time. This is the Paul Mitchell Invisible Wear Undone Texture Hairspray. So this is exactly what's said in the name. It gives you a little bit of that undone feel to your hair. So when you want sort of that like rumpled, tousled look to the hair, this is great to spray in to add that texture to your hair. So you can use this just at the root for a little bit of tousled volume, or you can spray it all over for enhanced texture. So I really enjoy using this before going through with a finishing spray. To me, this really just helps add that texture. It's also great to throw in before you're gonna do like a messy bun, or if you're gonna be braiding your hair and you're just looking for a little bit more of that lived-in feel. So those are the 5 products in this box this month. And I think that these are all really great because they really are going to give you that enhanced wave feel. And like I said, I really enjoy the fact that Paul Mitchell is showing you what comes in the box so you can choose whether to purchase it, or maybe that season just isn't going to have products for you. So I really find value in that. And I'm so excited because I think that this is really the perfect vibe for summer. We're all wanting just more of that like casual, wavy feel, and this box is going to be a great way to get it. Thanks for hanging out with me while I checked out what was in the Paul Mitchell Obsessed Box for this summer. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, please consider subscribing, and I'll see you soon.